felicitate such brave COVID volunteers of our own MBBS and AHS students of Goa Medical College who have volunteered and served selflessly in the medicine ward for 8 weeks straight in the uncertain times. Therefore, Medivision Goa, along with Arogya Bharati Goa, have come together to extend this small gesture to express gratitude to the medical fraternity for their efforts and contributions towards the human cause in this pandemic. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to extend to you all a warm welcome for the same. On the behalf of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Goa, it is my privilege and honor, more than pleasure, to welcome Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, Dr. Shivanand Bandekar, Dr. Mahira Kantawala, Dr. Varadraj Bapat, Mr. Pritesh Desai, Ms. Prabha Naik, and Ms. Dhanashri Mandrekar to grace the dais. I request Shubham Faldesai to escort the dignitaries to the dais.
I am pleased to introduce the excellencies and dignitaries on the dais. Honorable Dr. Pramod Sawant, the chief guest of the program, Honorable Chief Minister and Education Minister Goa. We are gratified and delighted to have you here, sir. I request Prabha Naik to present a welcome token to Dr. Pramod Sawant.
Dr. Shivanand Bandekar, the guest of honor, Dean, Medical Superintendent, HOD of Orthopedic Surgery Department, GMC. We welcome you, sir. I request Shubham Faldesai to present a welcome token to Dr. Bandekar.
Dr. Mahira Kantawala, special invitee of the program, pediatric occupational therapist, state convener, All India Occupational Therapists Association. I request Avdut Kotkar to present a welcome token to Dr. Mahira.
Dr. Varadraj Bapat, special invitee of the program, National Executive Committee member ABVP, former state president ABVP Konkan, presently teaching at IIT Bombay. We welcome you, sir. I request Dhanashri Mandrekar to present a welcome token to Dr. Bapat.
Mr. Pritesh Desai, former chairman, Goa University Student Council, former journalist and present state secretary, Arogya Bharati Goa Prant. I request Sankalp Faldesai to present a welcome token to Mr. Desai. I request all the dignitaries to come forth for Deep Prajwalan at the stage.
Now I call upon Ms. Dhanashree Mandrekar to speak about the proceedings of the program.
Namaskar and a very good evening. Respected dignitaries on the dais and my loving audience, a very warm welcome to you all for our Niswat Seva program organized by Medivision Goa and Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Goa. Medivision is an all-India forum for medical, dental and paramedical students to discuss about current medical education and healthcare in Indian context and many more. Today, we have gathered here for the Niswat Seva program. Now, why Niswat Seva? Because Niswat Seva means working selflessly. During the peak times of COVID-19 pandemic, when we were sitting in our homes peacefully, these brave students of Goa Medical College just on one call took the initiative to help our resident doctors in non-COVID medicine wards. They worked for 3 consecutive months. So some of them also tested positive for COVID-19. They did not give up. They fought against the virus and became COVID angels also. So we, Medivision Goa, decided to felicitate their dedication and bravery for doing such an amazing job. Hope you all will enjoy the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhanashree. I now request Dr. Varadraj Bapat to throw some light upon ABVP as an organization and Medivision as its forum.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, including Chief Minister, Dean, Priteshji, who is from Arogya Bharati, and all other students, as well as Madam, and also most importantly, all the volunteers who are present here who did Niswartha Seva. You are all aware that Medivision is a group representing medical and dental students and is active to motivate the students. While you are all taking a formal education into medicine, it is also necessary to inculcate some values to develop your personality, and Medivision works in that direction. And it is a forum of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, which is the largest student organization in the world. And ABVP has been working right since 1949. And what ABVP tries to do is develop leadership amongst the students. We have here Saraswati Devi and Swami Vivekananda, who are the ideals for ABVP, one representing knowledge, other representing pride for Bharat, and also Seva Bhav. Today, the program happens to be to felicitate and honor Seva Bhav amongst all of you. Most of you would be aware that in the tradition of Bharat, certain services were never considered to be marketable, and certain commodities were never considered to be sellable. They include water and food, if we think of commodity. Today we call them commodities, but in ancient Bharat, they were always offered as free. It was considered duty of anybody having water or food to offer it to others. And certain professions, most importantly medicine in that, and the second one was education, that was not considered as meant for money. That doesn't mean doctors or Vaidyas in that time not used to get any money at all. But the idea was their services are to be given as a Seva Bhav, and the receiver on his or her own will give back something, but it is not to be sold as a commodity. And I think that Seva Bhav is equally important today, and the respect which doctors get is far more important than the money what doctors make. Even today, the best doctors are known for what they have done for the society, and I am very happy that the next generation of doctors or would-be doctors like you are continuing that great tradition which was that of Sushrut or so many great Vaidyas of Bharat, which is perhaps lakhs of year old tradition. And we also know that in today's time, while you are all very intelligent, having high level of IQ, in today's time for success in life, it is proved that IQ alone is not enough. We need to develop EQ as well as SQ, that is emotional quotient as well as spiritual quotient. What ABVP tries to do is, ABVP tries to develop these two quotients among students, but not by teaching them, but by encouraging them to do seva as you all have been doing, and also do something beyond what is mandatory. Otherwise in the college, because something is given as an assignment or because something is a part of practical for marks, all the students do it. But here something what they do there on their own actually makes them learn. I don't say they are taught, but it makes them learn. And that is why ABVP has been successful. Is completing for last 70 years developing leaders. And I am very sure that all of you, not only for this program, would come forward, join. It's your own forum, Medivision, and it's your own organization in which you will come forward, and in the process you will learn and society will also benefit. Namaste, Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us. Having a few other commitments, Honorable Chief Minister will have to be leaving in some time. Hence, proceeding to the most awaited moment of the evening, I request Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and the Dean of Goa Medical College, Dr. Bandekar, to kindly bestow the appreciation token, the mementos, to our brave COVID volunteers. As called upon, I request all these students to come up on stage respectively, following the norms of social distancing.
Prasad Gurav, Shruti Naik, Gauri Hadkonkar, Rishabh Naik, Raina Ladhani,
Next student can come on the dais.
Neel Lavande, Anirudh Bhatt, Ezekiel Balaji, Emmanuel Mascarenas, Dhruv Shah, Shivani Mote, Michelle Montero, Anushka Goyal, Taran Mukherjee, Indranil Sen, Ashwin Mascarenas, Kaushik Bandorkar, Pushkar Pai.
Thank you, Dr. Sawant and Dr. Bandekar and all the dignitaries. I kindly request Honorable Chief Minister to address this evening with his kind words.
निस्वार्थ सेवा मेडिविजन आणि आरोग्य भारती जे ABVP हांच्यांनी ऑर्गनायज केल्ल्या ह्या निस्वार्थ सेवा फेलिसिटेशनच्या प्रोग्रामाक म्हजे बरोबर वेस्टेचेर आसात गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे डीन डॉक्टर बांदेकर, ABVP प्रभा नाईक, ताज्या उपरांत रेस्ट ऑल द डिग्निटरीज ऑन द डायस एंड डिग्निटरीज एमॉंग द ऑडियन्स. सगळ्यात पयलीं हांव निस्वार्थ सेवा ह्या कार्यक्रमा खातीर खरोखरूच खूब ऑर्गनायझर्स मेडिविजन्स आनी ABVP हांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. स्टुडंट्स विंग्स जो आसता हो सदोदीत आमी पळयता की वायल स्टडींग खंयच्या तरी हाजेर आवाज उठोवप, कॉलेजीन आपलें कितें जालें ना जाल्यार वेगवेगळे विशय घेवन फुडें वचप, स्ट्रायक करप, हे विशय सदोदीत फुडें आसता. पण म्हाका दिसता ABVPन खूब बरी इनिशिएटिव्स घेतल्या. कोवीड पॅन्डेमिकच्या ह्या पुराय पिरियडांत जे स्टुडंट्स आसात मेडिकल सेक्टराचे तांच्यांनी निस्वार्थपणे काम केलें. म्हाका दिसता कोविड-19च्या काळात आमचे ऑलमोस्ट सगळे डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसीस, फ्रॉम द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज, फ्रॉम द ESI हॉस्पिटल, ऑल द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल्स सगळेच जाण ड्युटीज करताले. सगळे नॉट ओनली द डॉक्टर्स बट ऑल्सो द पॅरामेडिकल स्टाफ, फ्रॉम द नर्सिंग स्टाफ टू द स्विपींग स्टाफ पर्यंत. आणि सगळे जाण आपल्या परीत करीत आसतना I think Dean has requested for the students also to join in these duties. आणि तुमच्यातले बरेचशे स्टुडंट्स हे निस्वार्थ भावनेन जॉईन जाले. हे करता आसतना इतक्याचेरच न्ही तर म्हाका खबर आसा तुमच्यातले कांय हे जॉईन जाल्ल्या कारणान पॉझिटिव्हय जाले. तुमच्या कडेन 14-15 दीस आयसोलेशनांनी रावचें पडलें. आमी सगळे जाण ह्या फेजींतल्यान गेल्या, बट कोविड-19 हे खूब कितें आमकां शिकोवन गेलें. आमी जशें म्हणटा की आमकां हर्ड इम्युनिटी येवपाक जाय, बट हे हर्ड इम्युनिटी येवच्या पयलीं सुद्दां म्हणजे कोविड-19तल्या पिरियडांत आमी कशें वागपाक जाय, कशें रावपाक जाय. आमी सोशल डिस्टन्सींग हो शब्द पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार आमी कोविड आयल्या उपरांतूच वापरपाक लागले. ताज्या पयलीं सोशल डिस्टन्सींग हो आमी शब्दय वापरनाशिल्ले. कोणी केन्ना विचारूय करूंक नाशिल्लो की मास्क लावन आमकां फंक्शनाक बसचें पडटलें, मास्क लावन आमकां इतकें एकामेकाक मेळचें पडटलें, आमचो बरो चेहरो मास्काच्या फाटल्यान लिपून वयतलो, हें कोणीच केन्ना चिंतूंक नाशिल्लें. बट कोविड-19 हें आमकां दाखोवन दिलें. सॅनिटायझर परत परत वापरतले. म्हणजे पयलीं सॅनिटायझराक कोण हातय लायनाशिल्लो म्हाका दिसता. बिफोर गोईंग इन द OT ओनली द डॉक्टर्स यूज टू गो इन टू द OT वायल देर इज नो इन्फेक्शन्स OTन जावपाक जायना. पण आमी रुटीनली भोंवता आसतना सॅनिटायझरच्यो बाटल्यो घेवन भोंवपाक लागले. इट इज नीड ऑफ अवर्स. ह्या सगळ्याची गरज आसा. आणि हे सगळें करता आसतना विशेश करून म्हाका दिसता आमचे सगळे जे डॉक्टर्स मेडिकल फेटर्निटीचो स्टाफ त्यांनी गोंयांत ज्या पद्दतीत आमी काळजी घेतली आणि खरोखरूच जे आमचो सगळो स्टाफ फ्रॉम द कलेक्टरेट, पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आणि मेडिकल कॉलेज कंपॅरिजन वीथ द अदर स्टेट, जरी कोणी म्हटलें की डेथ रेट आमचो चड आसा कंपॅरिजन वीथ द अदर स्टेट, हांव आत्ताच डॉक्टरा कडेन उलयतालो. खुबश्या स्टेटींनी आमी पळयता की गोंय हें एकमेव राज्य आसा बर्थ आनी डेथ जी आसा वीच इज रिकॉर्डेड 100% रिकॉर्डेड ओन्ली इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, नॉट इन द अदर स्टेट्स. आतां बाकीची व्हडली व्हडली राज्यां आसा तितून कितलेशेच डेथ जाताय आसतले. आमी म्हणजे इवन दो डेथ पेशंट जरी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन आयलो जाल्यार अजुनूय बी म्हणजे स्टेजीचेर सगळ्यांची डेड बॉडीची सुद्दां आमी थ्रोट स्वॅप करून तेजी टेस्ट केल्या. कित्या खातीर? म्हणजे नॉट ओनली टू काउंट दॅट पेशंट इन टू द कोवीड डेथ. बऱ्याच जाणांचो गैरसमज आशिल्लो ती आमी कोवीड डेथ काउंट करपाक सोदता म्हणून आमी डेड बॉडीच्या हितूंतल्यान म्हणटाले थ्रोट स्वॅप काडटा आनी ती टेस्ट करता. ना, आमकां चिंता आसली आमच्या लोकांची, आमकां चिंता आसली आमच्या ताज्या घरच्यांची, ताज्या गांवांतल्या लोकांची, कित्याक तें इन्फेक्शन पास ऑन जावचें न्ही हाज्या खातीर आमी करताले. आनी ताकाच लागून सगळी प्रिकॉशन्स जी घेताली ही तेज्या कारणांनी घेताले. आनी म्हणून तर आमी ईच एंड एवरी डेथ जी आसा ही रिकॉर्ड जाली. जरी आमचो डेथ रेट चड जाला आसत आमचो तसोच म्हणजे टेस्टिंग रेटूय तितकोच हाय आसा. लोक एक एकदां बरें कितें आसा तें पळयना, वायट कितें आहा तेजेरूच उलयता. टेस्टिंग रेट इज अ कंपॅरिजन वीथ द अदर स्टेट, वी आर मच 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 हायर इन कंपॅरिजन टू द आवर पॉप्युलेशन. आमी ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता 3.5 lakhs डॉक्टर, 3.5 लाख 15 लाखांतले 3.5 लाख पॉप्युलेशन आमी टेस्ट केले गोंयांतले. दीस इज ऑल्सो कमांडेबल जॉब. ताका आनी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ट्रिटमेंट, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ट्रिटमेंट, आमच्या स्टेटी सारकेली ट्रिटमेंट तशी पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार कोणीच अशा पद्दतीची ट्रिटमेंट खंयच्याच राज्यांतल्यान दिवंक ना आसतली. हांव ह्याच्या सुवाळ्याचेर चड वेळ उलयना, बट थोड्याच जाणांचें फेलिसिटेशन करून म्हाका अजून एक कंटिन्युअसली वेगवेगळ्यो मिटिंग्स आसा. डॉक्टर बांदेकर एंड रेस्ट ऑल डिग्निटरीज वील बी देर. आनीकूय बऱ्याच जाणांचें फेलिसिटेशन उरलां आसतलें. बट बींग अ मेडिकल फेटर्निटी स्टुडंट आमी सदांच पळयता की आमचें पयलें कर्तव्य कितें तर ट्रीट करप पेशंटाक, किंवा आमी पेशंटा कडेन पळयता आसतना केन्नाच म्हणटा आमी दुजा भाव करिना. म्हणजे रिस्पेक्टीव कास्ट क्रीड कांयच न पळयता आमचें पयलें कर्तव्य कितें उरता तर त्या पेशंटाक ट्रीट करप. आनी तोच इथिक्स जे आहा हे तुमी सगळ्यांनी कायम आपल्या प्रॅक्टिसीन सदोदीत दवरचें, जे कोविडाच्या स्थितींत दाखयलें. कित्याक कोविडाच्या स्थितींत बाकी सगळे जाण म्हणजे पयस गेले, भिवन गेले, तेको नाका, पयस राव, ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली केल्यो. बट फक्त ओन्ली आनी ओन्ली फ्रॉम द मेडिकल फेटर्निटी, मागीर जावं तो पॅरामेडिकल्स, जावं तो नर्सिंग स्टाफ, जावं ते डॉक्टर स्टाफ, मागीर PPE किट घालून काय आसना, बट PPE किट घालून सुद्दां ती ड्युटी करपा खातीर करेज लागता. हांव सगळ्यांचें पुराय मेडिकल फेटर्निटींतल्या स्टाफाचें, इन्क्लुडींग फ्रॉम द पॅरामेडिकल्स टू डॉक्टर्स, सगळ्यांचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता, खूब खूब तांकां कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता. बट एक गजाल सांगता, कोविड-19 इतक्यान सोंपूंक ना. वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांनी वेगवेगळो ट्रेंड आहा. परत एकदां दिल्लीत केसीस परत एकदां वाडपाक लागलेल्यो आसा. म्हाका दिसता इट लास्ट काल 6,000 समथींग कितें तरी नंबर जालो काल. वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांनी वेगवेगळो ट्रेंड मेळटा. म्हणून आमकां लोकां मदीं अवेरनेस करचो पडटलो. आजुनूय बी म्हाका दिसता आनीक थोडे म्हयने आमकां सोशल डिस्टन्सींग मेंटेन करचें पडटलें, सॅनिटायझर वापरचो पडटलो. आजुनूय बी हांव ह्या फोरमा वयल्यान मुद्दामून सांगता, जेंका जेंका कोणाक टेस्ट करून घेवपाक जाय, आमच्या ऑल द PHCs आमी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट टेस्टिंग अवेलेबल आसा. बट तुमी तेजो अवेरनेस जो आसा हो लोकां मदीं चड मोठ्या प्रमाणात तुमकां सायन्स दिसले, सिमटम्स दिसले जाल्यार वचून टेस्ट करून घेवचें हें तुमी सांगचें पडटलें. कारण टू एवॉयड द फर्दर इन्फेक्शन फॉर द बाकीच्या लोकां खातीर तुमी तेज्या मदीं चडांत चड लोकांक टेस्ट करपा खातीर प्रमोट करचें पडटलें. आनी निश्चितच तुमी सगळे जाण करतले. प्रिदा, माय बेस्ट विशीस फॉर युअर फ्युचर. थँक्यू वन एंड ऑल.
Thank you so much, sir.